I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought this place was straight crap. Crap on a cracker. What's up? Today we're staying at the Silverton Hotel Casino Lodge in Las Vegas. I've never stayed here, and I booked the best room you can buy here. Let's check in. Alrighty guys, we just checked in. I'm staying in what is known as the Ranchero suite. This was the most expensive and the best room by far at the Silverton. So I'm excited to show you guys. Already at first glance, it's really beautiful. But quickly, before I give you the room tour, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about the Silverton if you're unaware. The Silverton is a hotel casino that's south of the Strip, off the Strip, and it's been around a while. It had a different name when it first originally opened. It was called the Boomtown Hotel Casino, and years later was renamed the Silverton, and then last year it was actually fully renovated. So that's why right now I'm pretty blown away, because the only other time I've been here was a few years ago and it was completely different. Let me tell you, there's a lot to show you guys, but first, like I said, let's show you the room tour, the Ranchero suite. So as you can tell, this room has a very unique style. On their website and online, it's described as having a rustic lodge theme here at the Silverton. To me, it's more like a country kind of style, and we really like that because so many of the new casinos and the renovated casino hotels here, they all have just a modern style. And me and Greta really like when we stay at places that feel more themed and unique and fun, And that definitely exists in Vegas, but it's slightly more rare, a lot more modern-esque things now. Hey guys, so I will say the room cost me about $600 for the night. Now it's a Saturday, it's August, middle of summer, and the resort fee and the taxes were over $100. But in total it was $600. For a standard room is closer to around $400, maybe a little bit less than $400. The rooms here are pretty expensive, but it's because it's newly renovated. And not only are the rooms newly renovated, the whole casino, there's so many interesting things about the Silverton right now. And it's crazy because, when I was here for the first time a few years ago, I'm not gonna lie to you, I thought this place was straight crap. Crap on a cracker. So we are gonna explore the casino and show you everything that's new, everything down there. Also real quick, wanna point this out. Another nice little touch and feature here, a little coat hanger. But really nice, wooden styling, and I don't know, that's really nice, like that. They did a great job with this room. Great job. Great job. What struck me first was how vibrant the casino is. It's got great lighting, a number of slots and table games, and everything you can do gambling wise down there. It just looks great. When I first visited the casino, it was very dark and just kind of depressing almost. It just had a bad vibe to it. With this refresh, you could see the spar right here, the flare bar. Look how cool this is. Look at the lighting and the colors and everything. There's a number of great food options, from fast food to higher end restaurants like their steakhouse or this beautiful Mexican restaurant here. You have a lot of variety, a lot of options. So this area is pretty cool. There's a lot of fun games, non-gambling games like foosball, and you have the pool table right here, the bar, another bar I should say, with a lot of TVs. And over here is a makeshift bowling alley, very unique, inside of some type of trailer. Here's the sports book. And another unique thing with the casino is that they have a Dragon Link lounge. It's a room filled with only Dragon Link slots, which is awesome. I've never seen that anywhere. Very unique. And in addition, they also have the same thing, but with Buffalo slots, the Buffalo Lounge. They also have a high limit room, which is behind the Buffalo Lounge. But let's move on to the pool. The pool area is also very, very beautiful. It's called the swimming hole. Very family friendly. They have your cabanas like usual. They have a hot tub there, and they also have a pool bar, which is really nice as well on the backside. Now, the best for last, the most unique, actually the two most unique things about the Silverton are, number one, the aquarium, which feature, fish swimming around, but they also do a mermaid show that happens multiple times throughout the day. And then right next to it is I think it's the biggest Bass Pro Shop in the world. I could be making this up. I'm not going to fact check it, but it's attached to the Silverton and it is massive. It has everything you could think of that a Bass Pro Shop would have, and it's really cool. Boom! Casino tour is over. It's 7 p.m. and it's time to head to Allegiant Stadium for my first time ever and Greta's. We're going to see the Raiders. We got 2 tickets. It's the preseason. We got them from a friend of ours that have season tickets, and they said, hey, we can't make it, so you guys have to go. So we're heading on over now. All right, so we're about to pull up to Allegiant Stadium. We had to park at one of the many lots kind of in the area. We had to walk about, I don't know, maybe like a mile or so to get to the stadium. It's a bit of a hike, but there have been a handful of guys on these, I guess, bicycles with kind of like a trailer hitched to the back, offering people rides from the various parking lots around. So it's kind of cool. All right, we're finally walking into Allegiant. It's been here for years and we have never been here. Sorry, we're here. Good morning. Raider game was pretty cool last night, but I gotta be honest, as much as I do love the sport of football, the fans are just too nuts for me, man. Too nuts. Too much alcohol involved. Too crazy. Me and Greta ended up just staying like a couple drives and then we were out of there. So how'd you sleep last night?
I slept pretty good. Pillows were a little bit too thick for my liking, but My neck doesn't hurt, so that's good.
Yeah, I thought the bed was really, really comfortable. I thought the pillow was optimal. So obviously we got the higher end suite here, so I can't really compare it to the standard room, but I don't know, I'm assuming that the quality of the things inside the rooms are going to be the same, like the bedding and things like that. I think our room was just, it has that extra room to it, so.
Yeah, I think just the living room area and the bar is probably just what's additional to the rooms, I think.
Yeah. But the reason I really got the higher end room was because it was only, maybe like 20% more expensive than the standard here. So to me, it was just like a no-brainer, So yesterday we really didn't film too much on the main camera. We were kind of just really spending time exploring and kind of getting the lay of the land and understanding this place a little bit. So it is a bit confusing, and I'm gonna break it down for you. So pretty much right here is the Silverton Hotel Casino Lodge. Now there's 300 rooms in there. That's the official casino hotel. But you spin over here, and this big structure, it actually has a gigantic Silverton sign on top of it. But that's not affiliated with the Silverton. That is called the Berkeley, Las Vegas, and it's a timeshare hotel right next to the Silverton. And so if you're confused and you're wondering why the Berkeley has a giant sign that says Silverton on top of it, even though it has no affiliation with Silverton, I found out why, and I'll explain it. It's because when this was being proposed to be built, it would actually block the view of the Silverton signs on the actual Silverton. So they made an agreement, the Berkeley and the Silverton, they made an agreement where they could build this property as long as the Silverton sign was put on top of it so that you could see it from the roads. So that's why it has a giant Silverton sign there. Hopefully that clears some things up, some confusion up for you guys. Yeah. There's this nice little courtyard in between the Silverton and the Berkeley with a nice little seating area. It's really windy. I need to find somewhere better to talk to you guys. Okay, we're back in the room, much quieter and less windy over here. So what I was trying to explain to you guys next was that this whole area has been revitalized. This whole area is known as the Silverton Village. And earlier I was saying how this casino hotel was remodeled, but honestly it was a lot more than a remodel. It was a big expansion, $150 million expansion here. So not only was the Silverton Hotel Casino Lodge remodeled and expanded, but the whole area kind of was revitalized. All right, so final thoughts on Silverton Hotel Casino. Wow, look at that light right in the eyes. We're gonna actually talk to Greta. Here she is. Greta,
hello.
Final thoughts on Silverton Hotel Casino Lodge.
So, I think the rooms are great. They're fresh, they're remodeled, they smell good, beautiful. It is a bit expensive for not being right on the strip, but it seems like a beautiful place for a family vacation. I like it.
Yeah. So that'll just about do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Silverton. And have a good day. Make sure to subscribe. More videos to come. Bye-bye.